Hello guys and welcome back to Go Invest. Today I'm going to educate you guys on how to make money in YouTube. First of all, do you guys know what is YouTube and its functions? Time's up guys. YouTube is an online video sharing platform owned by Google and now operates as one of Google's subsidiaries. You guys can even get paid in YouTube in these 5 ways. I'll tell the ways to make money in YouTube right after I talk about ways to start a YouTube channel. The first point is have proper equipments like a video camera or a handphone, tripod stand or a selfie stick, and a LED ring light. The second point is have a video editor. My team and I uses Videopad to edit the video, and if you guys want a video editor, check out the link in the description to get it. The third point is create a YouTube account with a niche or topic. Check out the link on how to create a YouTube channel in the description guys. The fourth point is create a Google Adsense account. To get monetized or paid in YouTube by posting videos, you guys need a Google Adsense account. Check out the link on how to create a Google Adsense account in the description below guys. Now the ways to make money in YouTube is: number 1, post or copy paste videos in YouTube and achieve 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to get your account monetized or paid. You guys have to post at least 33 videos to get your account recognized and can gain more subscribers and watch time. Stay tuned for ways to gain more subscribers and watch time after I share the ways to make money in YouTube. The second point is affiliate marketing. It is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business pays commission like 5%, sometimes can be 10, 15, 20% or can be more for each customer who click the affiliate link and purchase it in your YouTube description. The third point is selling merchandise and ebooks. The fourth and the last point is crowdfunding to post next videos. People who watch your videos will donate a certain amount of money through PayPal for your hard work. Now, the ways to gain more subscribers and watch time. This is very important for you guys to get paid in YouTube by posting videos. The first point is post trailers in social media like Facebook, Instagram, Spotify and more. The second point is take videos with influencers to make your channel reach to more people. For an example, there are heaps or a lot of YouTubers out there in every country. So you just go to their videos. If they are in Malaysia and they are just right beside you or they are near to you, message them that you want to meet them, talk with them and say that you want to make a video with them, and you just make a video with them with a niche that they are interested to do with. The last point is number 4, do paid ads to gain targeted customers. These are the 4 ways to start make money to market your channel to gain more subscribers and watch hours. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos.